Math 6 Plus Unit 9 Major, Ratios, Rates, Proportions, and Measurement Conversion. Question 1. Golf balls come in a variety of packages. A particular brand of golf ball comes in a package of 12 golf balls and a package of 18 golf balls. The package with 12 golf balls costs $4.47, and the package with 18 golf balls costs $14.46. What is the better deal? What is the unit price of the better deal? A 12-pack at 25 cents per golf ball. B, 12-pack at 37 cents per golf ball. C, 18-pack at 37 cents per golf ball. Or D, 18-pack at 8 cents per golf ball. Question 2. A plate contains the following items: carrots 8, peas 13, peppers 26, green beans 39. What is the ratio of peas to carrots? Question 3. Bars of soap come in packages of 6 and packages of 20. If the 6-bar pack costs $7.86 and the 20-bar pack costs $25, which is the better deal, and what is the price per bar of the better deal? A, 6-pack at 39 cents per bar. B, a 20-pack at $1.25 per bar. C, the 6-pack at $1.31 per bar. D, the 6-pack at $1.25 per bar. Question 4. How many feet are in 457 2/10 centimeters, given that 1 inch is about 2.54 centimeters? 5. Find the missing value in the pair of equivalent fractions. 1 over 7 equals n over 56. A, 392. B, 8. C, 9. D, 0. Question 6. Hal compared the number of black marbles he had to the number of white marbles he had. Which statement correctly describes Hal's marbles? A, for every 1 white marble, Hal has 3 black marbles. B, for every 3 white marbles, Hal has 1 black marble. C, for every 2 white marbles, Hal has 1 black marble. D, for every 1 white marble, Hal has 2 black marbles. Number 7. The chart below shows the approximate number of kilometers of selected distance in miles. Number of miles: 6.25, 12.5, 18.75, 37.5. Number of kilometers: 10, 20, 30, 60. Which is the closest to the number of kilometers in 75 miles? A, 100. B, 120. C, 140. D, 160. Question 8. Write the ratio of balloons to airplanes 3 ways. Number 9. In Mrs. Cole's 3rd period class, there are 4 boys for every 3 girls. If there are a total of 21 students in that class, how many of them are boys? Question 10. Which type of ratio best represents the following statement? We planted 8 sunflowers and 12 tulips. A, part to part. B, hole to hole. C, part to hole. D, hole to part. Number 11. Draw a tape diagram or a double number line and use it to solve the problem. Trail mix was made by combining almonds and grapes in a 4:3 ratio. If 21 ounces of grapes were used, how many ounces of almonds were used? Number 12. Many drinks come in 20-ounce bottles. What is this volume in liters? 1 ounce is about 0.03 liters. A, 0.0015. B, 0.6. C, 20.03. D, 66.67. Question 13. Mammoth Cave is the longest cave system in the world. So far, 365 miles of the cave have been explored. What is the distance in kilometers? 1 mile equals 1.61 kilometers. Round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. A. 587.65. B. 226.71. C. 366.61. D. 363.39. Question 14. A sports store has the following number of balls. Baseballs, 59. Softballs, 10. Footballs, 88. Soccer balls, 40. The ratio of baseballs to the total number of balls in the store is 15 to 197. Which of the following best describes this ratio? A. Part to part. B. Hole to hole. C. Part to hole. D. Hole to part. Number 15. The ratio of boys to girls who participated in the pie eating contest was 7 to 2. There were 35 boys. How many girls participated? Question 16. Kristen can run 3½ miles in 1 hour. At this rate, how many miles will she run in 6 hours? Question 17. Which child care service shows a proportional relationship? Tots, 3 hours for $32.25 or 5 hours for $53.75. Kids Everywhere, $23.50 per hour. Rainbow Sunshine, 8 hours for $72 plus a $20 one-time fee. 18. What is the constant of proportionality? X, 26, 30, 48. Y, 53.3, 61.5, 98.4. Number 19. The fuel for a chainsaw is a mix of oil and gasoline. If the label says mix 1 3/4 ounces of oil with 13 gallons of gasoline, how much oil would you use if you had 52 gallons of gasoline? A. 0.4375 ounces. B. 7 ounces. D. 386.23 ounces. D. 91 ounces. Question 20. Nikita can run 4 miles in 24 minutes. Which two sentences represent the unit rates in this situation? Nikita runs 1/6 mile per minute. Nikita runs 6 minutes to complete each mile. B. Nikita runs 6 miles per minute. Nikita runs 1/6 minute to complete each mile. C. Nikita runs 1/20 miles per minute. D. Nikita runs 20 minutes to complete each mile. D. Nikita runs 4 miles per minute. Nikita runs 1/4 minute per mile. Question 21. A drink mix label states that 2 scoops of mix should be added to every 5 1/4 cups of water. If a container has 57 3/4 cups of water in it, how much mix should be added to the water?